Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, you have to see this. I just got my package delivered. I thought I'd do the unpacking by myself, but I was so excited. I bought a precious box of succulent, beautiful succulent hybrid from a private seller, a private collector, a big collector. But it's the coldest time of winter. Look at this. I thought I probably have a failure, but this is the first succulent I have unboxed. Oh, so cute. You have to do the unbox with me. Let's do this together. Even the smallest baby plant is fine. This is a Japanese hybrid. This is a mirror of the mirror moon. It's a very romantic name if you write it in kanji. Oh, I'm so excited. So I take this away. This is a box. It's all very well packed in this horrible time of winter. But you know, it's not so easy to got private sellers. They are very busy with their own collections. I hope everything is fine. It's all well packed. If something goes wrong, it's my fault because I ordered them in late autumn. It takes forever, all this arrangement, packing, and she waited until it's like a little bit dry that she can packing and reduce the damage and all these things. Of course, the price is also precious, but it's fine. Most of them are pink because I don't need to order green succulent. We have enough green in our place. I don't know which one is which. Oh, this one's a little bit. Oh, this one is cold damage. This leaf is cold damage. Oh. So cute. I lost the name of them. I will later call the seller and reconfirm it. It's not cold damage. It's fine. It's fine. The root is not very important. We anyway have to reroot it. I don't pull out the dry leaves. I will let them in the paper box. Oh, here is a little bit damaged. I hope that the whole plant is fine. Look how cute. I pretty much know their names, but I don't want to make mistakes. You know, sometimes in different stage of succulent. Oh, look at this pink. I really like light colored based Echeveria, and you have a high chance to have rosa rot on its peak status. I don't like the burning red type of succulent. It's also fine, but it's not my cup of tea. Oh, so excited. It has a lot of tissue paper involved, but according to these experts, they have been doing succulent all their life. This humble package is the most practical. Never let any plastic touch it. It's dangerous. You have a high risk of rot. Newspaper is also fine. Oh, what's this? Completely no idea. Is it a swan, perhaps? It's really. It's like -3.5 in the night, but so far so good. Even if they are defrozen, You still have a chance to save them. Just don't bake them near the fire. Jade butterfly variegated. I don't know what's exactly the English name, and I also don't care at the moment. Look at this. And this is normally you see from the shops are so big, but this is have several years old. This is better than the fragile, full of water butterfly. Oh, it's a senior. It's not a junior, even it's small. Oh my god, but everybody said this is difficult to keep alive in summer, and they warned me don't ever let any water. Oh, this is a big one. Variegated is of course more difficult than others. Everything is an adventure. I never talked about succulent before, but who can say no to light pink succulent, the new hybrid. In the nature, there's about 150 or so Echevia. I don't know how to pronounce it anymore. But after hybrid, especially South Korean and Japanese brilliant work, now there are over 1,000 types. Oh, this is a perfume. Oh, perfume is rotten. This is a cold damage and rotten, but only one leaf. This is from another collector. She combined it for me. She is, for hobby reasons, ran a big farm to grow all her favorite. So I could ask her for a couple of the real good ones. It's a pity this is over. This is a mushy and it's from deep frozen. In summer it could also happen. This is completely rot. We should not keep it anymore. I hope in general it's fine. The stems are not mushy. The trunk, yeah, this could have. Oh, anyway, this, because this is a second from the second seller, she forgot to control the water before selling, so this happens. I try my best. I'm lucky enough to find them in Europe already. I don't complain. I hope all the best. So I have a lot more to go. I'm running out of battery, but I will skip this part and excuse my nasty storage room. And I keep unboxing and show you in the end. This is for sure good. This is also expensive. And okay, I see you later coming with more videos. So I have unpacked everything from this package. Oh my god, all the small ones are almost intact. Very nice. They are firm. They are firm and dry and still has remained pink. This is a quite special one. It's a little bit soft. The rest are firm. Firm is the best. The surface is dry. This is the snow angel. I bought 3 small sized snow angel. I cannot focus. This is orange pinkish, like jelly. If the huge size of snow angel will be a luxury, but this is a rainbow candy. It's a very beautiful one. It's a common succulent, but this particular collector grow it to its top level status, but unfortunately all the big ones I have bought is getting a bit mushy. This is variegated. I don't know how to say it, apricot or whatever. It's broken, but I let it, we can only let time tell. And this is also a little bit cost damage, and this one has been broken, but he will reroot. It's only for the collector, they are very careful. Will be frustrated because it means losing value. For me, it's fine as long as they are alive. And I think next time I focus on the small, tiny ones. It's easy to shape, and the big ones are quite risky. Some of them I already forget the name, but I'm so excited, especially this one. The light background with pink tips is, it will become, if it grow, everything's fine in spring, and in autumn time it will be completely pink. All of them, almost all of them will be completely pink. Are so cute. Look at this. I forget his name. But it's so tiny and cute. They are tiny, but they are quite old. Look at the trunk. This is almost hardwood. This is a treasure. This is a high valued one, and they are tougher than the young babies. So I call back the collector and tell her everything is fine. She will also be very happy. And oh, look at this pink. Yes, I probably come back with more update on it. I hope all of you have good luck and survive the journey and grow with me at home. So see you on the next update.